Bear Paw Succulents. So fuzzy. So cute.
Just like most stuffed animals.
What do you mean most?
Anyway, in this video, not only are we going to show you how to multiply your bear's paws through cuttings propagation, but we're also going to teach you how to take care of those fresh cuttings and also touch on regular bear's paws care to begin with so that your Cotyledon tomentosa can be swole like Sammy.
So, yeah, we know. You used that joke like 3 years ago.
Hey, just because I use it already doesn't mean it's not still funny.
So fucking amazing.
Lads and ladies, I'm Smitty K.
Yabonton Shark here.
And I'm Sky.
And it's time to get into Bear's Paw The first step when propagating Bear's Paw Succulents is to hack up all the sweet little cute fuzzy bitches with something sharp. We do want the mommy bears to still look really good though after the propagation, but also we want to make sure that each of the babies that we cut from the mommies though has plenty of stem in order to keep themselves held down in the soil between now and when they develop a root system. Also, it's super important to note that we gave the mommies a good watering about a week ago. We'll explain why that's important later. Now, it's time for the scraping. This isn't something that we normally worry about when propagating succulents unless it's, bear's paws or maybe kalanchoe sometimes. But you'll notice that on most of the cuttings that we've taken, the stem below the bottom section of leaves and the stem above that section of leaves are different colors. That's because once bear's paws mature, their stems get hard and woody, which is great for plant structure, but it's not great for propagation because the hard and woody things don't tend to put out roots as easily. So yeah, we're gonna scrape the hard woody shit with something sharp. We're not actually trying to remove any bear's paw flesh. We just want to damage it enough so that it has to scar over later, because succulent scar tissue is actually super good when it comes to, things like root production and shit. Now it's time to make some homes for the fresh cut fuzzy little babies by packing some containers with soil. All of these are draining containers and this is cactus mix. Also, it's worth noting that it is bone dry. And finally, it's time to pot the bear babies into their new homes. We're going to use our magical paintbrushes to prepare a path for the stems, and then we're going to nestle the cuttings into the soil all the way up to the bottom section of leaves. Honestly, because of the way that bear's paw plant structure is, each of these could be potted into their own container. Right now these look really good, but down the road they're actually going to be pretty overcrowded. That's okay though, because that just means we're going to have to propagate them again here pretty quick. And hey, what's wrong with more bear's paws? Alrighty lads and ladies, that's it for the bear's paw hacking and potting. Now that the wee little fuzzy baby bears are in their new homes, we need to talk.
About care.
The holy bottle of houseplants hospitality.
That's right, Puggle. Oh,
Oh my.
What? Is it bad?
I mean, no, you look fine.
No, she doesn't. She looks terrible.
Shh. Okay, guys, listen. Our last pet watermelon, Yabonton melon, may he rest in peace, he was kept indoors, right? Away from grow lamps. But we decided to keep Puggle Melon near the rest of the houseplants, she needs company, all the succulents.
Yeah, but they're also meaner.
Yeah, but the artificial light is making her look super bad.
What?
She's all washed out in yellow, I mean, she's still super firm and supple, just all the chlorophyll is getting baked away by the artificial lamps. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna keep taking care of the mommy bears just the same as always. We already covered that f***ing shit though. But the currently root systemless baby bears are gonna need different type of care for the time being. So f***ing listen.
Yeah, listen.
Listen up, bitches.
The mama bears are gonna stay under the chlorophyll melon scorching artificial grow lamps for now, but we're gonna ease up on the light for the time being for the baby bears. They're still going to need quite a bit of light though in order to photosynthesize a root system, but not enough to dry them out before they get a chance to do so. So basically, the equivalent of bright indirect sunlight. Also, earlier in the video, we mentioned that the mommy bears got watered recently, and that's actually super important because by watering the mommies a week before we hacked away all the cuttings actually ensures that all the baby bears have more than enough water stored up in their little paw-shaped leaves to keep them alive over the course of the next several weeks, and also enough water to fuel the development of root systems. So for now we're just gonna keep them in bright indirect sunlight and wait for like 3 weeks. And over the course of that time, their leaves are gonna start to get pretty wrinkly. That's a good thing though. That means that roots are growing, you know, down under.
Like Benjamin Button.
Oh, jokes,
So yeah, once they get super wrinkly in like 3 or 4 weeks, we're gonna water them. It's definitely gonna be a bottom watering though, since when repotting them, we did nestle the stem bits all the way up to the bottom of the leaves. We want to avoid a situation where the leaves are exposed to any unnecessary moisture to avoid, you know, rot and shit. And it's the growing season, so they're probably all gonna get swole, you know, like famous baseball players who shall remain unnamed.
Not that he's like, you know, bitter.
So if you like bad graffiti, worse jokes, and wacky macrame, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.
F***ing subscribe! Jesus!
Alright.
F***ing subscribe!
Subscribe.
Subscribe right now!
Tip.
Jesus! Oh my f***ing God!
Are they coming back? Or, you know, to say Smitty and Sky out? I guess they forgot.